You want to know what the blah is, don't you?
Yeah.
The boring genes.
The boring genes? How could you be bored by taking a gene from one organism and putting it in another? This is excitement here. Don't you feel the excitement? I'm just sweating with excitement.
What?
I think I had deodorant on today.
This is so hard to see, Mr. Zeisler.
I know. What does that say?
What, would you like this? Well, I can do that.
Turn it off. I was gonna take a nap. Turn it off. Alright, what?
Lauren's going to take a nap.
Don't talk light. Otherwise I have to say you're poking your keeper away.
Blah jeans.
I say she takes a nap. Then we'll see how well she does on Thursday.
Yeah.
Oh, you're closer.
I couldn't see it.
Everyone's ditching us.
I couldn't see it. I couldn't see it. I couldn't see it.
It's alright, Lauren. How do you think I feel?
Okay, what do we know about genes? We've said all year long. Genes. 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 Genes.
Blue jeans.
They contain the
there's
information to make
segment of
proteins,
DNA
to
that
make
encodes for proteins.
Fake proteins.
for stuff to make proteins.
They equal.
Enzymes.
Here, I'll zoom in on this for
Which
you.
help
These
run
ones
the
are for
cell.
protein. Yeah.
That's an enzyme.
No, that makes it
Enzyme.
so.
And enzymes are what type of molecules?
Protein.
Proteins. Catalysts. Reducers of activation energy,
Anti-inducers.
if you like chemistry.
Oh my gosh,
Because our next lab is so much chemistry, you're going to
Just
love it.
explain to me why they call it
I actually
catalytic
love
converter.
Did I?
I don't.
Oh.
I think it's pretty fun.
I bet Mr. Hughes did that first.
Mr. Hughes is so confusing.
No, not confusing.
Yeah, he's confusing. I stopped paying attention to
Catalytic converter
class.
and the car part.
Yeah.
I am the confusing one.
It's so hard to
True.
See?
You're the catalyst.
So the blockchain is going to give us this thing, right?
Enzymes.
Yeah.
Beta-galactosis.
Is that beta
enzymes.
lactamase?
Yep.
What's the beta do?
Who's the beta?
B thingy. It's the blob.
What does it do?
What does
It does
do?
something to lactose.
Oh no, not this one.
No? But it has a lact in front of it.
It doesn't.
What does it do? What does
Does
it
it
do,
clog
Brian?
your blood?
Answer the question.
I don't think so.
What
Nick.
does it
Let's
do?
wait. What else do you notice? I'm glad you noticed that one.
You have an era. Is that
We do have an
Arabinos?
aura. That's true.
Is that Arabinos?
Is it?
I don't know. Because there's a C after it. And the GFP protein.
There is an operon.
Where's the operon? Oh, I see.
The Arabinos operon. That's the Arax-C, and the presence of the Arabinos as a sugar causes Arax-C
So this one,
to start transcribing.
somebody say what aura was? Aura was our
Arabinos.
Rabinos. And what else do you notice?
It's the protein
Greek
that...
fluorescent protein.
Yeah.
By the way, OSC always tells you this stuff is a what?
Inducer? No?
Nope. OSC. Always a what type of molecule?
Sugar.
Sugar, sugar.
I said it first.
Why does phosphate not have
Sugar pie, honey bun.
Why does phosphate have what?
not have OSCs in phosphate?
Because phosphate's not a sugar.
You and nobody
That's all
else.
What was it?
Jackson.
Hey, want to hear a funny story?
What else? Oh, now Abby's in slow mode now.
Sorry, go.
Okay, what's
Keep
the
going.
story?
Nothing, go. Explain. I'll tell
Was
you
this from
later.
our dinner last
Yeah,
night?
I'll tell you later. Go. Keep going.
Were you talking
once.
science at dinner?
No, God, no. We were with the Pace lady. She asked Ambi if she had relatives in the Dominican Republic. It was the most racist thing I've ever heard.
I bet she just remembers Renee and his family.
Go.
And now they live in the Dominican
Go.
Republic.
Go.
No, I think that she thought Ambi was from the Dominican Republic.
Could have been. Could have been related to them.
Metabolism of arabinose.
What do we else know?
GFP.
What else do we see? I
The
should say?
green fluorescent protein.
Oh, you actually know what that means, huh?
I'm offended.
I read about it.
Why are you offended now? Because you're not from the Dominican Republic? And you want to be? I think she was just saying, oh, Andy, you're so beautiful. Because the Dominican people are the most beautiful people on the planet.
Really? I just thought that she automatically made the assumption because Ambi's brown.
So them's the genes we want, right?
Those are the genes.
Right?
Sure.
Okay, that's a beautiful plasmid, correct? Would you agree?
I forgot to mention that last night. I thought that was hilarious.
No, the origin is this. This is the origin region. This is where they'll start, where our promoter sequence and our operator sequences are. Okay?
Okay, wait.
All right. I'm happy that you know that. Now, there's the entire plasmid in its letter form.
You have to memorize that?
Not topic.
Of course you
Do you like that?
Yeah.
No, you don't have to.
Did you just do
Just
that?
thought you might want to see
Did
that.
you do that
right?
on your own? Did you just go like
Copy paste.
No.
just on the keyboard?
No, because you can go to, there's an awesome website where you can type in any gene. And I probably put that in wrong. P-glow is the plasmid that we're using, that last one that you saw. This is actually the GFP gene in that P-glow plasmid.
Did you get that off GenBank?
I think so. There's a few
Okay.
websites that I can go and just type in whatever enzyme or protein that I want and it'll give me the sequence.
Because I can never
So if I
get
actually wanted to
Gen
make
off
this in my
GenBank.
little machine that we talked about earlier this year, remember when we talked about that little machine?
The styrofoam
When I was sitting
machine.
right there?
Yeah.
I type in this thing here and it pumps out this gene for me. And then I put it in my little cell that I made for myself and voila, glow in the darks. I could
P-glow
even
is
make
the
Andy if I
plasmid.
had all of her
So
code.
your
P-glow
clone-
I
is the
could put her in.
plasmid we use,
It's,
You can
and the
make another mark.
GFP is
I could make another mark, as long as I had this
What?
instruction.
P-glow
Yeah.
is the plasmid
Okay.
we use, and the
I want it.
GFP is the...
Okay, two critical, wonderful little molecules that we had to use. Arabinose. And arabinose is not only a sugar that looks like that. Does that remind you of any other sugar?
Yeah.
Should. By the way, this group of sugars, because of the shape, what do you
It's a
think?
pentose.
It is a pentose, yeah. Who else was a pentose?
The one in DNA.
Phosphate.
Deoxyribose
Just
and
kidding, it's not phosphate.
ribose. So now you know 3 pentoses. Yes.
So I can invite them all to my party.
Maybe there's a connection between deoxyribose and ribose and arabinose and autism. Wouldn't that be weird? Hi.
With the weird triangle things, which one means that the thing comes out front, which one means it goes behind?
This one is a fronter and this one's a backer. How do you know that? Did I tell you guys that? I
Yeah.
did,
Yeah, you
didn't I?
told us that.
That's right, I did. Hi.
I pay attention.
Hi. You pay attention every once in a while?
Yes.
That's weird that people actually paid attention by organic
Dude, I don't pay attention in anything.
molecules.
Except for maybe this class.
Except for maybe this one.
Yeah.
Okay,
Some
arabinose.
of them I just blank them out.
Arabinose has another name because we get to use it to start activation. What kind of molecule is
It's
that?
an inducer.
It's an inducer molecule or a ligand, right? An inducer.
Do we really need the chemical structure of ampicillin?
No.
Okay.
Are you kidding me? I'm writing it
I
out.
just thought you might enjoy it.
Are you kidding?
Hey, that's ampicillin right there.
You should put that as an extra credit question. If we can write this down,
No.
and get like a point.
You
Yeah.
have no idea even what this means.
No,
Do
but
a
it's
Well,
plasmid
yeah, but if I
map
have
and
memorized
Let's see how much
shit.
you remember when I told
Wait,
you.
don't click, don't click.
What atom is right there?
Oxygen.
No.
You know when I get angry story, I turned into
Where?
a giant green monster.
Carbon,
Carbon,
Yeah,
right.
it's purple.
What are those two lines there?
double covalent bond.
Double covalent bond. What
No,
is that group
no.
hanging off there?
What?
What is that group hanging off there?
Hilarious.
Um,
What is the what?
nitrogen and 2 hydrogens.
What is that group called?
Is it ammonia?
No.
Hydrogen.
Pneumonia side.
Pneumonia? Pneumonia?
Pneumonia size. Is that what you said?
Yeah, pneumonia side.
N-I-E, pneumonia?
Hey, we're running out of time.
That's an amine group, isn't it?
Oh, I was close.
Okay, ampicillin. What is ampicillin?
It's
It's an antibiotic.
It's an antibiotic which will prevent growth in most bacteria, right?
Yeah.
Unless they are resistant to it, correct?
Yes.
Yes. And if you're resistant to it, you can break down ampicillin and not even have it affect you as a prokaryote, right?
Okay.
That's exciting right there. What might you have that would allow you to break down ampicillin? What could you use in your little cell factory that would allow you to break down ampicillin? What? What do you have? Something that might take these wonderful little electrons right here and remove them from a bond. They pull electrons because they have a higher affinity for those electrons. They do a wonderful job of decreasing the activation energy of catalyzing bond breaking. Oh yeah.
The blot.
So we have a purpose for this enzyme right here,
Yes, that one.
because it can do what?
Break down the ampicillin.
Right.
It what?
So if it breaks down the ampicillin, then this is also our gene that confers resistance to ampicillin, right? Another way you're going to see this in the literature, or even my wonderful notes, they call it the AMP-R gene.
It breaks down ampicillin.
Yes. Yes, indeed.
Hey, can I ask you a question?